Get noticed in this 2011 Honda CR-V. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with an efficient four-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.